Hello friends, welcome to Academy Tuber. These are important questions on Andhra Pradesh Budget 2020-21. This video is helpful for AP competitive exams. This is part 2 video. For part 1 link, check the description below. Before going into the video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. Let's start the video. The government has decided to supply student kits to all students from class 1 to 10 in government schools under which scheme? Answer is Jagananna Vidya Kanuka. Under this scheme, government will provide student kits comprising of 3 pairs of uniforms, set of notebooks, textbooks, a pair of shoes, 2 pairs of socks, a belt and a school bag. Budget allocated for Manabadi Nadu Nedu scheme for the year 2020-21 is? Answer is 3000 crores. Under which scheme Government of Andhra Pradesh introduced the new nutritious menu from 21st January 2020 for school attending students? Answer is Jagananna Gorumudda. Overall amount allocated by Andhra Pradesh government for secondary and intermediate education for the year 2020-21 is? Answer is 22,604 crores. Which university has been selected as an Institute of Eminence by Universal Grants Commission and will receive grants under RUSA as mentioned by Finance Minister in budget session? Answer is Andhra University. Budget allotted by Government of Andhra Pradesh for higher education for the year 2020-21 is? Answer is 2,277 crores. Government of Andhra Pradesh is going to distribute how many smart health cards as per budget 2020-21? Answer is 1.42 crore cards. Government of Andhra Pradesh is providing post-operative sustenance allowance of Rs 225 per day under which scheme? Answer is Dr. YSR Arogya Asara. For the benefit of BPL families living in bordering districts, Government of Andhra Pradesh listed how many hospitals from states of Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka under Dr. YSR Arogyasri scheme? Answer is 130 hospitals. Budget allocated for YSR Kanti Velugu for the year 2020-21 is? Answer is 20 crores. The government launched the Kanti Velugu program on 10th October 2019. The program covered preliminary screening of 69 lakh school children in first phase and a secondary screening of 4.6 lakh identified children in second phase. The third phase will benefit all the people above 60 years. They will be provided with free spectacles, and cataract surgeries will be performed for the needy patients. Budget allocated by Andhra Pradesh government for the health sector for the year 2020-21 is answer is 11,419.44 crores. Amount allocated in AP Budget 2020-21 for Dr. YSR Raitu Bharosa PM Kisan scheme is answer is 3,615.60 crores. This scheme was launched on 15th October 2019. An investment support of rupees 13,500 per year is provided to every farmer family to meet the input needs. Amount allotted for YSR free crop insurance for the year 2020-21 is answer is 500 crores. Government of Andhra Pradesh allocated how much amount for YSR Vaddi Leni Runalu for the year 2020-21? Answer is 1100 crores. This is a scheme on crop loans up to rupees 1 lakh. Government of Andhra Pradesh is planning to establish Raitu Bharosa Kendralu in how many village secretariats? Answer is 11,158. Government of Andhra Pradesh is planning to set up how many regional coding centers for quality testing of seeds, fertilizers, pesticides? Answer is 4 regional coding centers. Government of Andhra Pradesh has set up how much price stabilization fund PSF for market intervention for crops selling below MSP or for non-MSP crops selling below normal price? Answer is 3,000 crores. This is the only government which announced MSP for chilies, turmeric, onion, sweet orange, minor millets and banana. Toll-free number set up by the government of Andhra Pradesh to redress farmers' grievances is answer is 1907. As a program under Navartnalu livestock compensation established by government of Andhra Pradesh? Answer is 50 crores. Under this scheme, government will pay for loss compensation of rupees 15,000 to rupees 30,000 per cattle and buffalo and rupees 6,000 per sheep and goat owned by livestock farmers. These are some more points. Under Pedalandariki Illu, the government intends to provide more than 30 lakh house sites at an outlay of rupees 8,000 crore, and government proposed to take up construction of 6,25,000 houses during the year 2020-21. The government of Andhra Pradesh has taken special steps for enhancing women's safety and security by enacting the stringent AP Disha Act 2019. To implement the AP Disha Act 2019, the government has sanctioned establishment of 13 exclusive special courts, appointment of 13 special public prosecutors. Amendments in the Indian Penal Code and Criminal Procedure Code have been made for ensuring completion of investigation and trial within 21 working days, and for providing death penalty in cases of sexual offences against women and children. Door delivery system of essential commodities has been launched by Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy on 6th September 2019 in Srikakulam district for implementation on pilot basis. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. Thanks for watching.